This video compares the real 5-year ownership cost of the 2026 BMW 3 Series and the 2026 Audi A4. Not just what they cost to buy, not just what they're worth later, but every dollar that leaves your wallet over 5 full years. Most buyers focus on MSRP. Almost nobody calculates the real cost of ownership. But when you add depreciation, fuel, maintenance, insurance, repairs, and taxes, two very similar cars can differ by thousands of dollars. In the real world, people pay about $46,000 for a 2026 BMW 3 Series and about $44,000 for a 2026 Audi A4. After 5 years, the BMW typically resells for around $21,600, losing about $24,400 in value. The Audi resells for about $19,800, losing roughly $24,200. Fuel costs add another layer. Based on average driving and national fuel prices, the BMW burns enough fuel to cost about $9,100 over 5 years. The Audi, being slightly more efficient, costs about $8,450. Maintenance and repairs are higher on both cars because they're German luxury sedans. Over 5 years, the BMW usually requires around $8,000 in maintenance and repairs. The Audi comes in slightly lower at about $7,000. Insurance costs follow a similar pattern. The BMW averages about $1,700 per year, giving a 5-year total of about $8,500. The Audi averages around $1,640 per year, or roughly $8,200 over 5 years. Taxes and registration fees add another $2,200 for the BMW and about $2,000 for the Audi. When you add all of these numbers together, the BMW 3 Series costs about $52,200 to own for 5 years. The Audi A4 costs around $49,850. Broken down per year, the BMW costs about $10,400 per year, or around $870 per month. The Audi costs about $9,970 per year, or about $830 per month. When we look at the pain index, the BMW has a higher score due to more expensive repairs and more complex components. The Audi usually produces fewer costly surprises, giving it a lower pain index. In the end, the Audi A4 costs about $2,350 less to own over 5 years. If minimizing long-term expenses is your goal, the A4 is the smarter choice. If driving dynamics and brand image matter more, the BMW may still be worth it at a price. Tell me which 2 cars you want next in the Real Cost to Own series.